A Six Nations land dispute in Caledonia is back in court today, where the developer tied to it is looking to secure a permanent injunction against 1492 Landback Lane for a second time. An appeal court ordered a new hearing last year after determining an unfair process. Jason Gaidola explains.
Outside the Cayuga courthouse this morning, Indigenous activist Skyler Williams is back in court, but this time to be heard in an injunction hearing over a territory conflict.
The Ontario Court of Appeal was very clear in their determinations last year. It said that it was struck down, and so here we are again.
After saying they would cancel a 200-home subdivision, developer Foxgate Developments is looking to win back a permanent injunction against 1492 Landback Lane after an appeal judge in 2021 ruled against a granted order due to Williams not receiving a fair opportunity to speak in the first hearing. Today in court, Foxgate's counsel Paul Demelo argues to Justice Paul Sweeney that the developer met all requirements for approval to build since 2003. And since that time, nobody has brought evidence to title of land. Foxgate's counsel added there were no claims made regarding violated Charter of Rights or objections to build, and the deal was signed off by Six Nations elected council.
They went through elected council, which 5% of our community endorses.
The demonstrating group claims the property is unceded Haudenosaunee territory and has occupied the Mackenzie Meadows project in the area of Caledonia and Six Nations of the Grand River since 2020. The clash sparked violence, blocked roads, and numerous arrests. Today in court, the lawyer representing Foxgate Developments says his client has full intention to develop these lands. And if the injunction is granted,
it is left in the hands of these courts and those cops to enforce those injunctions, regardless of what this court comes out with. Our community has said over and over and over again that our people aren't going anywhere.
The two-day hearing will see submissions from Haldimand County and the province. The federal government chose not to attend. Court resumes tomorrow. Jason Gaidola, CHCH News, Cayuga.